Finally, the trend has been broken over here as we see the first team to defend the target over here, and that is Sukra Thane Tigers as they won this game by 61 runs. Well done the Tigers over here. Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemarg NMPL Season 4, proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemarg NMPL, an outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. Now it's time to thank our sponsors. Title sponsor Rosemarg Limited, official streaming platform Waves and DD Sports, associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters, Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Copper Khene Titans, Sarvamangal Equity Assets Management Private Limited, Sanpada Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management LLP, Meera Bandar Lions, Move, Moda Oroma Ventures Private Limited, and Kalyan Tuskers over here. Zest 1 point always. As we all know about the result, Tigers won this game by 61 runs. Now it is time to introduce our post-match presentation party. Starting from my left, we have with us Mr. Priyadarshi Srivastav, Senior Vice President of Sarvamangal Equity Assets Management. Then we have Alia Sheikh, Compliance Officer, Sarvamangal Equity Assets Management. And then we have Dr. Neelam Soni, the founder of NMPL. First, can we have Jay Bishta over here, the captain of Titans. Jay, today the batting didn't click as what we saw in the last game.
Well, I think so. We bowled really well. We restricted them for around 170 runs, but yeah, it didn't go our way. They just outplayed us. So kudos to them. Very well played to them.
Do you think that the opposition captain was too smart not to offer you pace and starting with spin?
Of course, like when we saw the first inning, there was a bit of help for spinners. So they had 3 good spinners, to be honest, and they really bowled well. So, like I said, kudos to them. We could rectify our mistakes in the next game and come back stronger.
All the best for your future game.
Thank you.
Time to call upon the winning captain from the Tigers, Parikshit. Once again, when needed, you stood with Ajit and got the runs. And then smart captaincy. You knew that Jay Bishta loves pace. You brought on that left arm spinner.
Yeah, played with him a lot of times. I know he struggles earlier in the against the spin. So I already thought a spinner will bowl the first over.
What do you say? What do you have to say about your spinners and particularly Harikesh?
He really bowled well. He executed the plan well. Our plan was just to go and try to turn the ball as much as we can, and he bowled really well.
Well, and all the best for your future game. Now it is time to hand over the player of the match of trophy over here. And this is the man who really bowled well. 23 runs of 5 wickets. First 5-wicket haul of the league, Harikesh Yadav. First, he'll be handed the trophy over here by Mr. Priyadarshi sir over here. Then you will receive Zixa Strong sunscreen over here from Alia Sheikh. Then you will receive the nutrition box over here from Dr. Neelam Soni, that is by Sculptor Nutrition. He really bowled well, Hari. Big player in front of you. Captain said, do it for me, and you got it in the first over.
Yeah, it was a plan already that we will start with the spin because we knew how the wicket might turn. And we tried to execute it well, and it turns out in our favor.
Which was your best wicket?
I would say Jay Bishta because we all know that which kind of skills he possesses, and he can be dangerous in any phase of the game. So it was really great to take his wicket.
All the best for your future game. That was really good spell from you. Thank you. So that is all from this post-match presentation. See you tomorrow morning.